guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have something really big planned for you guys. I made a last minute decision, kind of spur of the moment, to actually go to Reno to pick up my dog. But also Tahoe is about to get 7 feet of snow while I'm gonna be there. They're getting an epic storm. So I figured it'd be a good time to get my first snowboard trip of the season out of the way. We got some epic snow on the way to Tahoe, but this is gonna be legendary, guys. I have all my camera gear and snowboarding gear loaded up in the van right now, and I'm really freaking excited for this. Let's get it. This is gonna be so fun. Fuck yeah. Stay tuned, guys. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. This is gonna be legendary. Oh man, I'm so excited, can't wait. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, welcome back. It is currently the next day. I drove all the way to Reno last night and crashed out in the van at my dad's house. But now we're headed up to the mountains. It's currently snowing up there, so I'm gonna have to take it easy. But we're headed up to my buddy Mason's house. I'll go ahead and drop his at right here. We're gonna go up, have some fun in the snow. He's got a badass house right at Lake Tahoe. So we're gonna go up and have fun for a few days, so stay tuned. We'll see you when we get there. What's good, homie?
What up, Beast?
What's good?
How you doing?
Good.
Fuck. I don't even know if I want to do it, bro. It's deep. I need to put my snow pants on.
All the way to the fucking van, dog. Yeah, I think that's a snow pants niche. Did you say too deep?
Bro, I'm wearing my fucking jammies.
Oh my gosh. Dude.
Hey, howdy, neighbor. Howdy. Let's go.
Hell yeah. Let's get it out here at Squaw. About to get hopefully some fresh paddle laps. Stay tuned.
Oh, no worries.
Thank you, bro. Say what up to YouTube.
Yeah!
Let's go.
Get the powder!
Woohoo! Let's go, dog. Yo.
Let's go.
Dude, this is epic.
Right over that knuckle.
Drop over the far side of that spine.
Yeah, but I don't think you can go wrong. And then we kind of want to stay right. We'll end up at that chair, but it kind of flattens out after this first steep drop.
Woohoo!
fucking deep, dude. That's insane.
Gotta unstrap. So we just got some of the deepest turns I think I've ever had in my life. That was insane. What was that, like at least 4 feet of power, dude?
Fuck yeah,
4 or 5. That's insane.
Are you doing a resort? What is Kate lift and Snowstorm? Yeah.
Not kidding. What was he saying?
Who the fuck knows? Kate, North Star.
What the
How high is that?
All right, guys, we're back at it. Day 2 on the mountain.
Yes, son.
Let's go!
Up here at Alpine Meadows, we got a pretty early chair, and they should be opening some more stuff later. And it's really deep, and it snowed another 2 feet last night, so should be insane. Let's get it.
It's still dumping too.
Still dumping. Look at this. It's madness out here. Get it, Jay.
My face covered in pine.
No.
Yeah, pretty cool. Dude, when I looked back, it was just orange.
Did it hurt?
No, it's fine.
I hope I got the clip, dude.
Dude, I know so too.
That was epic. Ripping. get it. Built a booter out behind Mason's house, and Mason's about to hit the first rip off of it, so should be sick. Let's get it.
Alright, dog. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. Good to see you, bro.
Yes, sir,
Thank you for everything. It's fucking epic. And
Fucking see you soon. Yeah.